My dear students of class 9, today I am going to start from problem number 1 of exercise 6.3 of chapter 6 lines and angles. The question is, in figure side QP and RQ of triangle PQR are produced to point S and T respectively. If angle SPR, this angle 135 degree, and angle PQT, this angle 110 degree, we have to find angle PRQ, this angle. For the solution of this question, since RP stands on ray QS, this RP stands on QS at P, therefore angle RPQ plus angle SPR, the sum is 180 degree by linear pair axiom. We write angle RPQ same and angle SPR 135 degree given in the figure, 135 degree here. We put 135 degree, we write 180 degree same. Therefore, angle RPQ is equal to 180 degree minus 135 degree. Implies that RPQ is equal to 45 degree. We write equation 1. Also, ray QS stands on ray RT. Ray QS stands on the ray RT at point Q. Therefore, angle PQR plus angle PQT, the sum of these two angles is equals to 180 degree, again by linear pair axiom. The sum of these two 180 degree by linear pair axiom. We write angle PQR same and angle PQT is equal to 110 degree given in the figure 110 degree. We put 110 degree here, 180 degree same. Therefore, angle PQR is equal to 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. We write this as equation 2. Now, in triangle PQR, angle RPQ plus angle PQR plus angle PRQ, the sum is 180 degree by angle sum property of a triangle. We put angle RPQ is equal to 45 degree from equation 1 and PQR 70 degree from equation 2, and we write angle PRQ same, 180 degree same. The sum is 115 degree. We write angle PRQ same, 180 degree same. Therefore, angle PRQ is equal to 180 degree minus 115 degree. That is angle PR is equal to 65 degree. This is the answer of this question. Now, come to the next question. Next question is question number 2. In the figure, angle X is given 62 degree, angle XYZ given 54 degree, YO and ZO are the bisectors of angle XYZ and angle XZY respectively of triangle XYZ. To find angle OZY and this angle and angle YOZ, this angle, we have to find these two angles. For the solution of this question, in triangle XYZ, the sum of three angles is equals to 180 degree. Therefore, angle XYZ plus angle X plus angle XZY, the sum of these three angles, this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of a triangle. Angle XYZ is equal to 54 degree given in the figure, in the question 54 degree. And angle X is given 62 degree, we put here. and we write angle XZY same 180 degree same. The sum of these two angles equal to 116 degree plus we write angle XZY same 180 degree same. Therefore angle XZY is equal to transpose 116 this side 180 minus 116 and this is equals to angle XZY is equal to 64 degree. We consider this as equation 1. Now YO is the bisector of angle XYZ. This implies that angle OYZ is equals to angle OYX is equals to half of the total angle XYZ. Angle XYZ is given 54 degree. Here XYZ is 54 degree here. We put 1 by 2 into 54 degree value of angle XYZ. 2 1 are 2, 2 27 are 54 degree. Therefore angle OYZ is equal to 27 degree. We treat this as equation 2. Now also ZO is the bisector of angle XZY. Therefore angle OZY is equals to angle OZX is equals to half of angle XZY. Angle XZY is given, XZY is 64 degree by 1. So we put 1 by 2 into 64 degree. We put the value by 1. 64 degree, 2 1 are 2, 232 just 64 degree. Therefore, angle OZY, this angle OZY is equals to 32 degree. This is equation number 3. Now we use the value of these two angles from these two equations in triangle OYZ. Now in triangle OYZ, angle YOZ plus angle OYZ plus angle OZY. The sum is equals to 180 degree by angle sum property of a triangle. We write YOZ same, 27 plus 32 we get 59 degree equals to 180 degree. Now angle YOZ equals to 180 degree minus 59 degree using 2 and 3 here. Now angle YOZ equals to 180 degree minus 59 degree which is equals to 121. Thus angle OZY is equal to 32 degree and YOZ equals to 121 degree. This is the answer of this question. This is the last question today. I will meet you next day. Thank you very much.